Hello, hi and namaste to my child. Today we are going to have a mathematics session for grade 5, right students? Grade 5, are you ready? Okay students, so last time in previous class we are learning about square and square roots. So today we are going to have a short revision of square and square root, and then after we are going to learn the main topic of today is cube and cube roots. Both square and cube, they are going to be related. How they will be related with each other, let's have a look over here. Okay, I will show you the ways of doing multiplications over here. So be ready and be attentive students, it's very important. And I said you before that you have to learn the square numbers up to 20, because you need to remember the square numbers up to 20, right students? But here in cube numbers, then you have to remember up to 10. Okay, cube numbers up to 10, and you must know the process of multiplying and taking out the cube numbers up to 20. But you can easily remember the cube numbers up to 10, but a bit difficult you feel while you are remembering for a longer digits. So you just need to know the process of taking out the cube numbers. Okay students, so be ready and be attentive over here. So we are going to learn the revised of square numbers and square root. I will relate it once again with the cube root. So students, have a look over here in this chart. I have written here square numbers. Have you seen? Here last time we have already learned square number means double digit, multiplication of 2 digits. Same like here, square number multiplication of 2 digit, cube numbers multiplication of 1, 2, 3. Cube mean it's 3. Okay, so cube numbers mean it's to multiply with 3 digits, same 3 digits. Okay, so here 1 into 1 square is 1 will be the answer. Same like here, 2 times it multiply. Here it's multiplying with 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. Cube is 1. Okay, so student, here square 2 into 2 is 4. When 4 is again multiply 1 time, then it will be 8. 4 into 2 times is 8. Are you remembering me? Are you understanding? Okay, square numbers you have already known about it. Just you need to multiply that square number with the same number 1 time, then you will get the cube numbers. Right? So same here. 3 times 3 is 9. When you again multiply 9 into 3, then it will be 27. Cube of 3 is 27. Here 4 into 4 is it's 16. When 16 again multiply with 4, then it will be 64. Okay. Now next, 5 into 5, that is 25. When again it multiply with another 5, then it will be 125. Okay. Same here, 6 into 6, 8 will be 36, and over here again 36 is multiplied with 1 time, that is 6, then it will be 216. Okay, so here 7 into 7, that is 49. Here 7 into 7, 49 into 7, that is 343. Okay, now 8 into 8 is 64. If again 64 is multiplied with the 8, 3 times 8, 8 times 8 is 64, 64 into 8 is 512. Same here, 9 into 9, it's 81. So 9 into 9 is 81. 81 into 9 is 729. Is it? Okay. 10 times 10 is 100. Right? 10 into 10 is 100. 100 when it's again multiplied with 10, it's became 1000. Yes, are you getting here 1000 or not? Yes. Okay, student. 11 into 11, 121. Again 121 is multiplied with again 11, then it will be 1331. Okay, 1331. Now, 12 times 12 is 144. Again 144 when it's multiplied with another 12. 144 is multiplied with 12, then it will be the answer 1728. Square is first. You can multiply up to here. You have already got the answers. Again, then you have to multiply one time with the same number. Then you will get the 1728. Okay. Okay, student. Now here, 13 times 13 is 169. Are you getting me? 13 into 13, you can have a look over here also. 13 into 13 is 169. When 169 is again multiplied with 13, it will gives out 2197. Okay. So, let's go to the 14 side. 14 and 14. 2 times multiply, getting 196. 3 times 196 is multiply. 1 time is 14, 1 time is 14, 1 time 3 times 14. When multiply at once, then we will get 2744. That is the cube number. Okay. Let's have another question, that is 15 times 15 is 225, and when 225 is again multiplied with 15, then it will be 3375. Okay, that will be 3375. So now next is 16 and 16, it's 256. 256 when multiply with another 16, then we will get 4096. Okay. Now, then after 17 into 17, that is 289, is it? Okay. If again I multiply with the 17, then it will be 4913. Okay. So now next, 18 into 18, 324. Again if it is multiplied with another 18, then it will be 5832. Okay. So students, another number, that is 19 into 19, it's 361. Again let's multiply with another 19 for making a cube. 19 into 19, 361. Again multiply with another 19, then it will be 6859. Can you write it? Okay. Last, finally, up to 20 digit we have learned, right? 20 times 20, it's 400, right? That means, again if I multiply with 20, then it will be 8000. Can you make a relations between square and cube now? Okay, that is the easy way to learn it, the square and cube numbers. It helps you to remember the square number as well as the cube numbers. So, if you match it like this way, okay students. So, you have to remember a square number up to 20, it's needed, it's compulsory needed. And if you know up to 20 digits, just you need to multiply one with the same digit number, right? So, you can get the cube numbers. If you will not remember also, you can easily multiply it and find out the answers. Okay students, I hope you can learn the square numbers as well as the cube numbers. This is the main topic of today's one class. So student, after learning of the cube numbers, then we have the problem of cube root. So students, are you ready to learn the cube roots? Before in square root, we are taking two digits as a common numbers, right? So over here, now how many digits we need to take a common? Can you guess this? Can you guess it or not? I will say the correct answers, okay? That is, you are going to take 3 digits as a common. Same 3 digits you need to take a common over here. Can we show you? Okay, let's do that type of question also, okay? Cube root 1 questions. Let's have a look on it. Let's start. Okay students, for one time let's review of square root, then we will do the cube root, okay? So here, let's do the one square root of 25. Let's do the square root of 25. So here, how to find out the square root of 25? And the symbol of a square root is this one, okay? Now 25, let's divide this 25. Have you remembered the division method or not? Obviously, while factorization I have already taught you, right? You have to remember the division method also. So 25, have you noticed the last digit 5? Okay, so that 25 is the odd number. So we have to divide the 25 with the prime number, that is either 3. Can we divide it? No. Then let's check with the 5. It will go? Okay, now let's do it. 5 times 5 is 25. So that means 25 equals to 5 into 5. How many digits are there? 2. And let's make a common. If I take 2 and the common will be only one single, that is 5. So square root of, so you have to write it. Square root of 25 is 5. This is your answer. Are you getting me? Square root of 25 is 5. This is your answer. Same like here, we are going to learn the cube root. So ready for cube root? Okay students, let's have a look for the cube root. Okay students, see, have a symbol of a cube root. While writing out the cube root, then what is the symbol for the cube root? First of all, make a root. This one is the square root. If you write here 3, that means it will be cube root. It's a cube. 3 is indicated already over there. This is the root. So we call it a cube root. Okay. While writing, you have to write this form in cube root form. Okay. Now I have the questions for you. That is, let's take out the cube root of 343. Shall we go? Okay. Let's do it. 343. Okay, now student, tell me, you will obviously get confused. Last digit is 3. Let's try with the 3 once. Okay, whether it will go or not, let's check it out. 3, does it possible or not? If I divide it 3, what will happen? Let's check it out. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times again 1 is 3 and 13. 13. Can we divide 13 by 3? No. So, it's not correct, right? So, we have to go for the next digit, that is 5. Last digit, either there must be 0 or there must be 5 to divide it from the 5. Then which number will come in the prime number after 5? Yes, 7. So, let's try it with the 7 number. Okay, whether it will go or not, please check it out fast. 7 times, how many is 7? 7 times 4 is 28. Now, how much remainder? 63. Now 7 how many times is 63? 7 times 9. Yes? Okay. So shall we divide 49? Again it will go from 3. Let's check it out once. Because last digit is 9. So can we divide it by 3 or not? No. Why? 3 times 1 is 3 and here will be the 1 remainder. 1 and 9 it will be 19 and there is no any digit 19 to divide by 3. We will not get the exact answers. So we have to do it again from the same digit, that is 7. Let's divide it by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay. Now student, you have to write the cube root of 343. What is the cube root of 343? So can we write 343 equals to 7 into 7 into 7. Here are 3 digits. We have to take common of 1. So that is cube root of 343 is, its common is 7. Cube number of 7 is 343. Cube root of 343 is 7. They are reverse to each other. Okay. So student, shall we practice of the next question? Let's go on writing. Okay, let's try with 2744. 2744. Can we take out the cube root of 2744 or not? Let's try it. Which number is there at last? It's even or odd? It's even. So, let's try with the even prime number. What is the first even prime number? It's 2. Let's try with 2. Okay, divide the number first of all. 2744. Let's divide it with the 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder left over there. 1 and 4 it will be 14, right? 2 times 7 it will be 14. Now no remainder. So 2 times 2 is 4. How this answer is coming? I will show you over here. Let's divide it. 2744, when I divide it with number 2, then 2 times 1 it will be 2. No remainder and 7 will come down. 2 times 3 it will be 6 and 1 will be the remainder. The 4 will come at down. Right student? 4 will come at down and 2 times 7 it will be 14. Again this 4 will come down. Again 4 will come it down, right? So student, 2 times 2 is 4. And the remainder it will be 0. Nothing. That means, what is the answer? 1372. It's just looking at the number of the division form. Okay. Have you got it? 1372. So student, again let's divide it by 2. Can we divide 1372 by 2? Okay, let's take it once. 2 times how much is? Okay, let's take 2 digits first. Okay, 2 times 6 is 12. 1 remainder, 1 and 7 it will be 17. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 remainder, 2, 12. 2 6 times is 12. Done. Again let's go and divide it. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Right? Now which number will come? Let's try it. 3 4 3. We have already drawn of 3 4 3. In which number we have done? Think. Okay. 343. Let's divide with 7. We have already done 343, right? So 749 times is 343 and 7 times 7 is 49. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 3 digits are common over there. Have you noticed? Here 2 is common. This 3 is 7. So 7 is common. So can you guess it? Can you make it the line? Or you can write in another way also. That is, okay, 2744 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. So the answers 3 will take a common as a 2 and this 3 will take a common as a 7. 2 and 7 is 14. The cube root of or we can write the answers over here also, okay. So the cube root of 2744 is 2 times 7 is 14. Are you getting my process? So like this way you also go on practicing the cube numbers and square numbers, right? Here the main point is while you are taking the square number, remember it, while you are taking the square number, only you have to take two digit as a common. From 2 digit, 1 single digit will come. Okay, just like that. In cube root, from 3 digit, you have to take 1 common. Okay, here are 3 digits. That's why I am taking only 1 common as a 2. Here are also 3 digits, so I am taking only 1 common as a 7. So, and that common should be multiplied with each other. 2 times 7 is 14. Like this way we are getting the cube root. Okay. So again one question for you all. Let's have a look. One main important question is there, that is when students are while solving the problems, if the 0 come in the middle, they will forget how to do the solutions, so how to take out the answers. They will be confused on that question. Let's have a look on that question. 4093. Especially if the zeros come in the middle, they make a mistake a lot over there. Let's have a look, okay. Which number is here? First of all, it's 3, right? If the 0 come in the middle, they will make a lots of mistake on it. Let's sort out this problem. If there is 0 come in the middle, then what shall we do? Let's do it with the answers. There is even number at back side. Let's divide with the even number, okay. So that is 4096. Like this way you have to divide. 2 times 2 is 4, 0. 2 zeros are 0. You have to write it. 2 zeros are 0. 2 times 4 is 8. And 1 will be remainder, it will go at back side and it became 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. Right, student? Now again divide it. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. Now 2. Let's take 2 digit. 2 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 times 2 4. 2 5s are 10. 1 11 is left. 12. 2 6s are 12. Again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Again let's do with 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 3 6. 2 2 4. 2 32s are 64. 2 16 times is 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Finally it will come. So let's take one digit. 2 2 2 and 2. How many 2 are there? 2 2 2 2. 2 2 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. The cube root of 4096 is 16. Can you write it? Yes. The main point is there, if the 0 is there in the middle, then you should not make a mistakes. Okay, you should not leave that 0. So this much for today. I hope you understand the cube and square also, and the square root and the cube root too. So please keep on practicing on it. Okay, so till then, stay at home, be safe, and have a nice day ahead.